eso dia bromno crop bia kumasa Santi Kotoko omu coach e friend Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum and Central Foshan and some outdoor or the two dwan ne be dadamu and watch the Kim Faisa kratom de koma e cars no cars aboa to atwene and watch it tamayut eso nsem ekopiem o cars no cars atwatwene ye do nsem nyina no e de ebe brosa so ne be se wuramu amonone na ye de nsem pi e de aba major European leagues no na otwi ebe to dwa no ebi to dwa opiem o England a Carabao Cup third round no and na results how do epiem a fourth round draw no esobe ni na de nsem e de ebe damidin e de Lutakin Saso and Abeti Collins Atapokunka Jeffrey Asari the Apostle Michael Asari Bodu Batenka production no led by Michael Akumia the Sports Messiah Ricardo Varas Saso and Yawo Nas Kramo Prince Ebobomi Uko MCR Yawo Jima Eho Saso na Busi and Kevin Mrantana Kenya Bodumadi no Sanso Samon Sempre and Asremum. You're right, your friend Kennedy a compre kwa Japan. Was it MPP amanyokuo no e was so Frank Tuni so wasom na waye adwuma de ama adehye o Ghana ansaraba amanyokuo no so a waye bi ade ama omo na super delegate conference e course no waso money yo maya de mosini so mutimi tuaba no ma na me said ye e brand do November mon Samuel no no waso the showdown walk e bi eba woni mu nyina eba be ka bom na chita afo no Ghana adehye ebe na tene yebe nantia yebe she t-shirt a eya de kwa ni mfonyini bom yebe she cha ni mfonyini bom na ya kra no ma bebre na ne no ma no benya bi wo he na wato obenya t-shirt ni bi wo he na wato obenya cha ni bi wo he na wato oba sompa ya dwuma ma okumase swamia ya ni Nrom hotel ne die nhwe oba pe ya reception o maba wa so na ahofefo no ho obenya bi ato 40 cities and 70 cities eno chicha no ebi o na mag no eso bi ho bra na showdown walk no ye no nyina nko open number bia frena sababia wonu ntimi ma woni mpanyumfo di nkomo na edi bia mane wa frena number 0278 369 494 0278 369 494 ofra ombejo so na bia so aye kama na express group say obeso koya adwuma wa brochira na so obeso kosuade wa brochire omadwuma omo de omo yare no omo je admission man crofo e wa brochire no wakosuade obeso koya adwuma so ombe pa adwuma wa brochire de ama okwa babia beda wadwuma asem wakatu asem nyina express group ebehwe ne kama edi ama na omo sesa visa e na opempo a ometima aboa ma onsaka visa no eye bank statement e na ope eye ticket no nsem eye to e na beso kwa am no ne omo abi so na akwahwehwe wa eye express group for omso mbeba holidays e na ukwa brochira kwa kodi a ne nyina no mbeboa no omso mo branches bebre e wo Ghana haba kumansi a omo asafu labor runabout wo Accra omo Kaneshi first light and Pemo Tema Express Group, Bomo Labashi Lashibi Goyle, Nadu Lashibi Goyle filling station, Omo Ebe Lashibi Funeral Home, and East Legon, Omo Bay Trinity Theological Seminar, and a Takra, so Omo Market Circle, Omo Hot and Nesto Fast Food, and the Denushe, Opiamo Silver House, El Sunya, Ubehun Omo Bay High Court, Tamale, Omo Bay Tamale Teaching Hospital, and a Bibiani, Omo Bay Court, from 024900 448 0249 000 448 and a 0555 550067 your 0508 111 343 or from a major bia as for aye kama na me patro the expert in sciatica at 21st clinic was a bra na yade bia do krono if you trisu kosu na so ntu asem fama na sciatica ya de na je someone share 21st clinic and na de mama sciatica ya de no kra eyira ni nyina se eso na nkokom na ekọ to ase wanya bibi mo anso akwankọ wanya ba bia ntena nye uvens ni nyina twetwon our doctors o ma bene o nim ngoma o nurses o mo bro mo ase ukọ ho a ye krokro so de hye agije so se ohene ba de timasa ya de ne diama na 21st clinic emfidie abusu twa wanche o lab technicians a ye behwe mo janom e ba scan machines a ye fan scan ni padua 21st clinic ebi ho ho ne nyina kwai no muntu siatike ade na se ema na yade bia no mda bibidro na esa yade nto ase emfa makuma se ye wo ehwa overseas junction ye ben Alpha Radio opiam obo ase wo council quarters ye ben court junction Accra so domi dwana mu market one ye wo opiam osunwane Techiman and Kransa opiam otakra the Cape Coast miamia bebra your more than 15 branches 21st clinic in Panyu for 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 abianya kama na drink na mrwafonom en kokrafonom obia enum bie no drink na ye frɛ no miso fruit drink a flavors na kama na fruit papam fruit ababo ni padua no emu ene yi efri ayede aba ya son mu kroje na ebi free guavam ebi free mango ebi free pineapple ene fruit outdoor na uramu ayaresabia na doctors recommend ma sanom na ho ento miso fruit drink na no program bia se nkramofo abosomsomfo Christopher omo 7 no ase eye test no edaboko emu ode na obenuma boanum se to eno achi no ya side misa 5G aba Misa 5G no so nanta akra no abro ye adwuma no abre woni padua no wo ye kese woni nyen wasrade dore wo ebetimi anane srade na ma ho ato eno achi no because of guarana na ewo mu jensen green tea no bemei no na fa from pa ebekoye ediama test ni ye kama onuma bon sampa bibia wura ni padua no eno Misa 5G frena mpai na babia obi ayemro obi na ton na nya mfaso jibi kogu fridge no 0246 270 221 0246 270 221 fre na ye jibi na bibia enye kama ebrani ni amano ne nsambrani ni ye breaking it down the answer every Saudi Arabia eho ena kopiema tima ye be from Riyadh All Stars obekesi Ronaldo wuramu ana sa oboboko no amoni PSG ebo EFL game na Riyadh All Stars ene ne omo eboye na omo bossa game na ye fe na Diametri say omo selling up a game Riyadh All Stars eba bebo na omo baba omo ni tima ye from Manchester City ene de ebepem so na Diametri kra so omo ni City bo wi a ombetimi ani Inter Miami babia na tunkuni Messi esina kan no ombetimi eso no omo edi apem so no omo say Riyadh All Stars omo game no ombebo no stadium ye fen Boulevard City Hall Stadium ho eno obesi akan no na chance for the first time ye benya si Ronaldo msunkumalewa ye benya no ewo team bakum the same team Neymar Junior ebom Karim Benzema ebeko ye benya N'Golo Conte eso ebebam na yenya owura ye fen Sadio Mane ono so yenya no wom ebasa imagine sa team no ebe senkege eno Riyadh All Stars omo game ebe todwa ye do nsam edi ema no na Ronaldo baby obekobia no oja bibi ato ne cent no eje obeka na no eba Asian Champions League omo kopiem Iran ekosi akai na hotel na eye team ebe Al Nassr koda ye no sa hotel e fa no Espinas Palace Hotel ena kopiem omo isu wax ye kasa wax a ye wo eye bees wax wo ho enwa omo de na omo kombu no ai so omo dan e bi kura timi fifim aha sa wax no we enye nete ena omo de Ronaldo statue ena omo de so omo de Al Nassr jersey no e di Ashan Adaya Ronaldo so abeda hotel ha ewo Iran ento se bibi e de hye munyam ye bibi na enkai dum se dachi bia no o Ronaldo bae ni Al Nassr bae no aha no obeda ye enu ntino ma ye jersey wo no eno e de ba ye jejamu edamam na no pai mamen touch way down and famam se Novak Djokovic also piema ono tennis no wo ye superstar wo ye legend na nanu the US Open tennis to dwanu anaje ye na ukopiema Roma omo elbo celebrate golf match bi ho tournament bi call Gareth Bale ekwetimi di team epiema ho na enu na si Ronaldo ni si celebration no Novak Djokovic eswetimi ko bi abra na obo golf tournament no na enu na obo ni golf no win yan hwe ono ene daso no Novak Djokovic no okọ edi akoma enu a su na odi ato na bibia ene kwa no odi ama Ronaldo sente no aji babia enu edi ba ye jamo na Ronaldo ne fan na obetwa picture Ronaldo kan no edi kira fan no me hwe kakra ni nyina no se Ronaldo di ankono why se atapoku onyanyimu obiaba picture picture no no be yira na de tienie Ronaldo na fa ne koye eso ne betwa photo e na Ronaldo fini kan mu pie one fan e ba betwa picture na picture na akwa no ekura e phone e Snapchat e no de ba me pa twa na mu de ato so na no ma so aye kama na eno e na Ronaldo kacha kwasmasa e Snapchat na me be dia mintimi enu entwa picture no enu ya reho semesi ya enu so de ema enne anopai e wo dwumade no so na Steven Gerrard opiamo Saudi Arabia Al Ittifaq one day omo boss wo ho na wakasa about Saudi Arabian League no essa Saudi Arabian League no se pa open most talked a liga e Saudi Arabian League yenti.
Well, let's start with the league first and foremost. I think this is the most talked about league in world football at the moment. It's got a lot of top, high-quality footballers arriving. You know, during the last transfer window, there was world-class players. There's got world-class coaches. It's a very competitive league. You know, I don't think it's... I think you've got, you know, teams like Shabab, like Tawan, like Al Fateh, like ourselves that are really going to challenge, you know, the big four, if you like.
And you are Steven Gerrard, no. What say Saudi Arabian League and said them for a council station Bia say TV, say radio, say Kowakra Tao, say hey, Obieka Saudi Arabian League once them. And what you know, was it more world class players, world class managers, and only 4 teams per Obia compete, and we are smart to now more Kings Cup, Saudi Arabia, Al Ittifaq, and Al Nassr, and Ebeshiano, so Gerrard, I can say.
Listen, a very tough game. We've already played Nasser this season, and it was a real good game. World-class players, a fantastic coach, so it's going to be a big challenge for us. But I think to win cup competitions, you have to beat the best. So we're going to have to be.
And we are some Gerrard Tuja. It's a very tough game. So Usha Nasal Bobo Kona, and we are the Tena Fabinho. Fabinho, I tell why you were them. I don't want to Fabinho, much before and after. Oh, Quinity, Muya Fabinho, only unity no. Now Fabinho before now, Quinity in ye. She, Jenna, one who walk ye. Fabinho no wakwa kwenti no amasanko fisesika eno edepeti emamo na yenwemo Brazil nyina no so twa Copa Libertadores no egusa etodwa na semi-final game between Fluminense and Internacional aso edepem so Maracana na ohwe supporters epemu ewo Maracana nipa be 67,000 said na atmosphere no esitie no na esewani na enso ka kire dede ene de ni nyina se game no ba na wiye na akwa tutu ena etime pem Maracana ena se ho abodewa eho aboma eho abobil eho abodil eno ede dawa ye jamu eso edamamo ewo dwumade so na eno pem am de to anim so Cairo eye CAF executive committee no ekwa akoto aba when they host to AFCON 2025 when they host to AFCON 2027 ema Ojera withdraw eno ampa omutra sekin tonto eni bodua yi nkonyare kire moti amano na se omefen Morocco enenya the hosting red for 2025 na 2027 no ekọ adima the joint countries Uganda, Tanzania, Kenya na anopa yenko Kenya ne twom news papers no so far after so munya the north some na hosting AFCON 2027 omu host to be da the standard and edi we also edi aba hard work to AFCON 2027 begins and no the standard and a daba and watch Daily Nations so edaba is coming home and watch Mumian Sanko na another newspaper Kenya almost so edia omotipa no pay so NSA na so omuguso omudi papers no beba and watch Roma Tanzania we habari Leo almost AFCON 2027 ni Tanzania na sa Tanzania no pay almost newspapers no de almost so edi abano no mumpian komonim ebiso grama we Uganda how Uganda won AFCON bid no and then so omode aba ni na newspapers anopai ukopema Daily Monitor AFCON coming home and no newspaper and so Tanzania and so timi aba Uganda for no as a biabe kama and no edit na me pacho mami so fa no mana ki no ma omode koma CAF announcement CAF and 2027 was still right no no asu etima wo no ya de say presented another presentation omukwe no why East Africa na say also munya bid no okwa so one over 300 million football mad population in the countries miansa no or some of the more and which more single tourist visa for entry at least 7 East African countries no or one visa pair would be rubber beer and watch no minimum of N9 home matches but be a stadium no baboma and no idea by the mamo what median so mamin tinsimo Barcelona and opaya bankaba at the Barcelona and sa at the okay a former vice president of the technical committee of referees was Spain Ogra Yefreno Jose Maria Enrique Negrela the case with Barcelona as a Barca Scabia Demano and no Copiema Occident no 7.5 million euros na almost so be a holding public positioner na oye public service enu kwa so trianaka ukomani sikan waju for dwuma na oye na say adamude a crime and what my intoma accuse Barcelona say a bribe and omutuaye Barca from waye and watching so Jose Maria Bartomeu omatimi a charge womo and no and Sandro Rosell ni dinsu bomu bi and no ede baye jamo edamam ene anopai aso ewo dwumadi no so yegusu tinkonwa so break no down na Real Madrid abrante Eduardo Camavinga on so club no say wapoto amnafe wonchi so bebom ntomo pama no 4-year deal e dey account of 4-year deal no emu nchiremu nie omo so already obaye no was a 6-year deal na no contract be we 2027 enti omo ye and say ni agent Jonathan Bernard former agent Edmund Garibel no owura no jo omo kan say omo dinkom na wie na mom ni contract won sabin ka ho on permanent enhanced salary ne sika no be pejam na omo man better conditions and we Eduardo Camavinga the flow pass for this season out of 8 games for sha 6 ejama Real Madrid David Alaba on so game Madrid and Girona bebo on Saturday Demete and say likely say on Timobi we pra anopam don sembrel Brahim Diaz anopam de to anim as a game against Madrid Atletico Madrid was Civitas Metropolitano Madrid derby no opraye onya shoulder dislocation and omo won in panier or the boy enra game no against Las Palmas Obo na onya severe pain na Demete ne nanopai as ograma ne papa ababontabe confirm as ampane bano na a shoulder dislocation and an bananya na basana twan omo won in panier amane de boduma no mo pese beba bonten 100% concentration e wo Las Palmas game no so and when some Brahim Diaz papa diaba na so far boy na nya the lava so pema Real Madrid players ni na jadano o twa Hoselu message odiaba Sasha Vini Junior message omodiaba o twa other player Federico Valverde message omodiaba Rodrigo messages omodiaba mo boy na ba so and no baduma papa and no ede daw edi emamo yewe Sergio Busquets and no me the 20 man of so pema the oldest tournament war America and no US Open Cup no next 108th edition to them hosting Dynamo and the team here na Sergio Busquets and opay Abranta Mikaso Piemo Philadelphia 76ers your friend James Harden the beard man o team koko support hosting for no one Sergio Busquets here and no edeba na Ramu Argentina ba mi awadi 72 years or singer your friend Lamona Jimenez adeso and no officer down for a friend Carlitos Tavares and we the Apache no na urama wo museum kese on fie na urama museum no be fa dan one wa ko run ho and no demo maame no e ko ba ne koma wo twe Carlitos Tavares the Apache man na okoni mission woko ma no makoye na nu achi no on 72 year Lamona we sing a song better ye tweba bia no ne Apache ediasa omo etonum no enu Carlos Tevez no enu omu diasa ma no ma ekoye eso edima wo mo enu edeba ye jeja mo eso edema na Daniel Rugani o se ono pese we ready be accept pay card e Juventus now I standing the contract akwesi 2026 with option for another year to 2027 na so far sika currently watching on 3 million euros a year no watch bonuses of 500,000 euros we're ready so better so na ma no ya obe resume team training nyame pa next week no one ba mu team no eso aye training na ba mu team no empanyfo so plan so no ya and Zen Orich ebechia for a contract talks contract when we 2024 na ometme extend edammo na Mason Greenwood on so enu an first start dima Trevor Hatefi wonya an assist edma omo ehye ebeba wombo tutu no eno edeba yedi emam na pemo piaja Omo percent Brent friend killing Mbappe 100% fit and San Obebo a Champions League game against Newcastle next week Wednesday and this weekend game against Clermont 4 and ya de settle on risk no and no edeba no chino Rino Gattuso and nano player wa sheni as Olympic Marseille manager and then the first training session Otimi Ayeye and no General Ivan Rino Gattuso and no pay now chop any training na kama and no the tower timamo Otmadian so na General Manchester United season banawaya 8 players omuna omo final contract on banawaya on betuma free Anthony Martial Victor Lindelof Aaron Wan Bissaka de no say banawaya or option to extend for 12 months and no edeba yet emamu ewotumadi so ne ebusa club so panyini Brantana ye feno Zobozila ne quality no anu otene papa je na wo ka fa ne quality no.
Since the first minute of training it was pretty impressive. That's how it is. He's a top bloke, really top guy. Easy step into the game, into the team. Dressing room by stuff like
no say the quality no bia hu no or say achira abra oba you know the first minute in first train o Sompa pretty impressive and we dey tell say Pep Guardiola eso panyini yayi wa from Carabao Cup mo na quadruple no na ka fi wo hwa so beje titles no for ana.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. And no idea down na Mikel Arteta any Emil Smith Rowe on 499 days and run when the first start ma Arsenal and you busa so panyini dia na wo ka fa ho.
I think he had really good moments in the first half and the game was much easier for him the way he was developing with his qualities than the game that we started to play after 5-10 minutes in the second half and
was physically was on ready so bet match as so fati so still or so benya first goal diama Brighton or join Brighton or anso fati nyanya go so emfa ema wo mo eno de dawa yedma na Mohamed Kudus eno 90 minutes eno bodima West Ham United etia Lincoln City mo som 1-0 or no eno mo vote to man of the match West Ham United or mo fans no eno de down yenyina so dem fans ma odo a ye bobo anu na no pani ensrem hye so ye pani pam yenu edo abrochire emema nipa mienu oye bema na person kwa abrochire a unoma nyina didam adwuma kwa sika akwaje babia abeda no frɛ number is 0241 27 2990 0241 27 2990 ye ba sisi.
Betway is your gateway to a theme park full of gaming excitement. A whirlpool of wonder where your favorite games come to life. Where you can take to the skies with max payouts that reach into the millions. All in the palm of your hand. Visit betway.com.gh. Terms and conditions apply. Betway is regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Bet responsibly. Betway. Bet your way. Stand to win your share of up to 10 million Ghana cedis in prizes with Betway's Scratch and Win. You can earn your first scratch card by playing table games, slots, or quick games. Scratch and reveal a range of exciting prizes from smartphones to fuel vouchers and more. Visit www.betway.com.gh. Terms and conditions apply. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Bet responsibly. Betway. Bet your way.
21st Clinic yes sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase wo say dwe wo srem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ya adwuma pa wo yenti abaso bo ma je Ghana ha enya mo no enya asem ketua wo mo je international awards ahodo wo mo je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mo bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia je 21st clinic nko wo mo de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mo ade pa ko a wo ma gidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ni ade ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo sciatica expert.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Mayini yaw edubuachi onyame akoa ya wieye bre wade tumi ahyene no wo food for thought adehye nyina ene yankwankra bia how September Liberty Conference Epepaso Maranatha Evangelistic Ministries Kumasi Harper Road Asamu Ayakasa ye free asomafose etiedio no mochichemu mienu akopem yensa Acts chapter 28 verse 2 to 3 Shanenson say we a burning of arrows part 2 anopano sia pepepepe kopem bra ho kronkron bejaye eye damemene 30th September Kumasi Atum Harper Road Ajumtofo edi jumtu beje jumedie ya papa Minister Sete Champo Yama mi Mabel Ochre aye kwa any resident worshipper Minister Kwame Jedu wobet sojom aji jumedie ya papa entrefi se how be daus amani be daus odan be daus so awieye onyame di tumi amani boy omani yaw edubuache na sada no bronsam so na obenya pa esani se onyankopon wa Abraham hu na chiri not so ni di tete kwafra mo kwadiro kwaduma kankane a odan sebo wo peyi adwuma nyamema edi ahofedie ebekoye fi bra Liberty Conference September edition. Oh glory hallelujah.
Oh person presai and I mean can't you say from who from Bebano. Someone. It's one in the Westman as a Buna. Chinawa, Mopadia from her, and not Diamo from her. We see a free sumu. A pen who took by what on tramo. Laka, I kick him. What's with the Pitoka? Yokai and a memo. He was say.
Anya ho hwe amaye ntimi nye mo yesem mfa nche pa mo a mo de mo birthday sabre nyina me ogide ma pasa mo hwe senkane ye betimi aye bibidi amam nenso ye technician o ye ho adwuma no normal ba komunu bi nti no ye ntimi mfa birthday special no emfa emre mo eno ho nsem no mo mfa nche Wasar bodu aye krado ewa ha amrone nsem no ye be sha ase awurawura mu anemum great must be enterprise ese en kan cho say so you switch Chinese track there bra ho na beje spare pass ni bi na omo wo sa tracks way pass awdo bebre omo e bi say eye ho wo sino tracks and a shackman na great must be enterprise en kan cho say eba engine housing eba ho wo brake drum eba springs surpriser bar ni nyina no oba omo ho a eye ade se ubenya bi ato Saso na AV bar, our headlight, Shackman H3000 headlight, and a tail listening in our binya biato, your Shackman F3000 headlight, and a full motors saa so ne wo hapsel wheel bolt ne nyina no ba obenya bi ene wo brake bands brake pot back and a brake pot front oil bath ne nyina no upiemu great must be a ho abetimenya bi kuma se Chia kwan e wo so ame makrodu makrafo ni fa eye new road kwan so na kwasi pon SHS e na edi animhwe sa so e na kumase for mon phone number 0206404088 e na 0242633091 e na ubko brekum so a owo eye branch brekum magazine wa mon phone 0550630664 e na urua sunwan so magazine mfimfi ho sunwan for mon phone number 0257 491211 now bibianya kama uyisu Chinese tracks there open great must be enterprise kona bibia enya kama ni what scientific clinic and diagnostic services say Dr. Nimo Doma no say mama wo de no one kura no safo ano se wo jana akwa usi akwan sperms ne kona akopem na ase aba wo da mayam hyeso wo de say problem free oba no ana bema obema sam no wo form unyi oba untimo oba ne mpa wachew untima mpa ne enkasa untima mfifre emfiri a ni nyana so obekọ any what scientific clinic and diagnostic services ombehwew ama wonu nsa kabnyam na no so cheba omema sam so besi piesita enu achi no obi wa enka e wonanum eyi nka se ekro na otrima na so nipadua num ni nyina ombe to aseda ma oba wa mfie ono enu na wo so ma bemma ebo ho dam obemma bu akoka asma kire na esege so ka kire ne yire ade ese ne yire ataba no woni ba na bie so akire no ni nyina ne se na mfie ono eho twayopo enu ntirim se oba wa mfie no nye na bema efri wachi ekoba bia siesie okoni what scientific clinic no msiesie o ma kidney problems liver problems hepatitis typhoid cancer problems wo hypertension wo stroke da bibidro besa yade ahodo na ada ma tware yade nyina no besa e the amount obi a osua de na ne rafi ne nyina akoni white scientific clinic and diagnostic services are be the amount no msenka nto so laboratory services or scan services and great machines their diagnosis na kuma say ye adwuma Monday to Saturday 7:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Accra Thursday to Saturday 7:30 to 6 p.m. kuma so mo atonso Monaco junction na dance rap band and the day South PM or Accra inside photoframa ne Goyle filling station the Ben so NS chemist and the day from 0244 087687 0244 087687 and 0279 087687 ofra ombedu kumo Michael Asari Bodu let us say that jami ase wo sima du mienu zali 10:22 na me we yanko
yebera studio na news abase adia ohwe
bacho okay
bibia de dem
you say dem
yep na me say yebera studio na development by concerning Barcelona and former vice president of the referees technical committee and here Ora Enriquez Negrera na ni nani related to time and on the Jimedie Edema the referees committee of the Spanish Football Federation no Basse Tue sika bi the man of a period na sika no mutua no drew a 7.5 million euros na ni na no amount for dodo na gidi say sika na Barca adema papa no na ne say all my referees aboa Barcelona e wo ball no mo bonim se ne ebe ya omo betimi edi nkonim no mo timi age nkruwa na eno na opinion so be dey say anya no cresa nemum technical help and now your reporting now for na epo in terms of how related to officials referees here case na bro so now the latest happen say the investigative court number 1 Barcelona judge on down your friend say Joaquin Aguirre wa say case ne kra na say no omo ye free corruption e dey about bribery. Now there is a difference. Say a corruption you need to prove beyond reasonable doubt and now you need to prove with hardcore evidence. Say case na a bribery no and yet the idea na say sorry a corruption no the idea na say ye hu krata ba ko mienu miensa ye hu komodidi say say bas hani opeyin na tenase aka so obebo mo that is a corruption aspect. Now say free corruption about bribery they will not just need hardcore evidence they might not even need it. Basika ebie free bas and sako opinion ane Every Barca and Sako Penino said the that time no Penino a vice president of the referees committee and over the Spanish Football Federation. Oh, na Spanish Football Federation no a private entity said I can say oh FNE a private entity. They be Spain for they say omo mra in as much as the RFEF, which is the Spanish Football Federation, no, are registered as a private legal entity. Omuju mediani omoni omo no. It may regard you as a public legal entity. So in Qatar, the RFEF has been registered as a private legal entity. But omuju medi omudi because they deal with various people, groups, associations near there. So they are regarded as a public legal entity. Now, good. Now in the case of bribery, Spain brands say they can charge a public official. And it's almost GDSA. The RFEF in their dealings can act as a public legal entity there. So be opposition our RFEF anymore. In this case, Enriquez Negreira was a vice president of a referees committee our RFEF so he can be regarded as a public official. Sompa and the judge has already paved the way. They will charge one club, Barcelona, 4 personalities. Former Barca president Sandro Rosell and Josep Maria Bartomeu, you better charge yomo. Enriquez Negreira and Nebana, you better charge yomo. In the case of Negreira, you better charge they say he's a main beneficiary of a bribe. Nebano a facilitator and I say he is also an accomplice sort of. Then Barca president they were the initiators bribe during their period. That is for Rosell and Bartomeu. And Barca as a club say the club no etia bribe. So this will likely come up at the law court. Enti a court na Barca babeina no Sandro Rosell babeina no Maria Bartomeu babeina no either through personal way and as more lawyers and omo babeyes ade no then Enriquez Negreira ne ba no omo so babeyi o no asem na so judge ne hyewie no Joaquim the CTA near Spain or more referees committee no. Okay. And they have requested for documents involving meetings. Minutes na Troy meetings recordings no of time and na so promoting referees and na face or demoting referees nibi and so more personal documentations ni na. So this matter has started but it will not just end here. A lot will come and then Barca Negreira scandal no it keeps on going on. Barca ne ye ne ho se oti ne ho afri sa scandal ne sa nyoma we bi mu a there is always something new that pops up that tarnishes the image of a club and it's because in times past omunya mpenifo bi omudi omanimu a they did not represent them well. Bako ye Sandro Rosell, Bako ye Josep Maria Bartomeu omo anoma kowi omumokwa and the Barca as a club omo eti ho fifiri until this is the case any baby
Kokoma Musa we say e Barca ya because Barcelona omanya fine form omache season as can it affect them on the pitch?
Yes, supporters will be disturbed. To some extent, Barca as a club will find way to insulate players from getting psychologically affected by Saudi way. Into more as a club, no and now you're a professional player, you don't really concern yourself with issues like this. And in see during the tenure of Juan Laporta. Okay. Sankaya recent year Nankabasa that will likely have an impact on the team. But one way or the other, as a club, they should manage this so that and translate Mbambe on pitch performance now and senioma. And then say Barca Benya sporting sanctions near the no. The Spain for to deal with the criminal aspect. Now say Barca Benya sporting sanctions, so we deal with the criminal one new year. If the Spanish Football Federation bet me up and no many evidence be a back here, then they can deal with Barca as regards the sporting sanctions. And Tienyen do hokra. Say Barca as a club say ye babe yo mo feel La Liga mu, see about bet your points, see about fine your. We have not gotten there yet. This time around, it deals strictly with a bribery. and a year rely on as it stands now. And this is Enriquez Negreira on the Dasun Openina or the Barca for no Aquacood, and there's a Spanish Royal Guard. Yen frio na yanko into another issue. Remember Chelsea DNS so briefly, but Yehu James Harden say Okoka Houston Dynamo ne ho. Wabra Enra Omoje the US Open Cup is the oldest cup competition or football competition in the US. They said the Oba Englander, the FA Cup is the oldest and the most prestigious in terms of the tradition. Sana US DNS so a cup Omorega pa. They were looking for a Messi-led Inter Miami, but plenty Messi could not play. Likewise, Jordi Alba. But Houston Dynamo will care less. Omaje almost second US Open. But why would James Harden be there? We know about basketball. Now this is the interesting part. Harden no Los Angeles. One Houston, Texas, any track bia. But for ball basketball no. After leaving OKC Thunder in 2012. Harden the Houston Rockets, a basketball franchise, a what Texas around Houston ho. He has become part of the Houston community. Into Omujini Tumpre, he's one of them. He invested into this club. And here Houston Dynamo, the Nisikashi.
Sir,
yeah, investor, a co-owner.
I'm ready to go by now. Just say, Omoteba, Inter go now, so.
Waymono. They see themselves as they are athletes there, but they have an expiry date. And they are always planning ahead. Say, that should be me jai aye edumedina medina. What next? So they are always investing. This guy has a $200 million contract with Adidas for 13 years. I think so. I could be 7 years or so.
Okay.
And he says, "Come on, no. Omon fan to endi and omon kotu to form fan share. They invest to realize a profits from it." One of the investments it be a Houston Dynamo club no.
Okay.
And he has become a Houston citizen by default. In the state of Texas, we entertain school, but he has become part of them because of investment and then the affiliation to Houston Rockets. And something tied to American sport. Almost all their teams are tied to the state or specific locations.
Okay.
And there was a certain bond between the sporting franchise and then the community they are based in. It is a model that has ensured, say, almost sporting franchises, they will live long and then they will thrive commercially. So Houston Dynamo, so almost more tone just what location, Atlanta United, Charlotte FC, Chicago Fire, FC Cincinnati, Columbus, DC United, Washington, Inter Miami, Montreal, Canada, Orlando City, New England, US, New York City, New York Red Bulls, Philadelphia Union, Toronto FC, and Canada. Over Western Conference now, Austin FC, Colorado. Feel that a part of them.
Yeah, dear.
Exactly. Enti yenya born en kwasa me mateme born na meye, matimi team na meye. So you have stars affiliating or relating to it. There's a Messi Bobo Los Angeles. The stars in LA will come. Yeah. LA Galaxy, no, the Omoye Galaxy D9 is LA na Hollywood. Hollywood is made up of stars. Golden State Warriors, California, Boston Celtic.
Okay.
So they know how to make their sports drive, and I think it is helping them. Ebwa, Emmanuel Matimi Konkentendo, who are bodye, say Orginenia. It is because as an investor, he's proud to see this materialize. Say ne club or this cash no or more trophy. Chelsea didn't the munya botre. There is an aberration, and just as Chelsea have found their form yet. Project no more no. Ebeye ebesay because you have a group of youngsters who are playing to find their feet. So relax. But it is good Chelsea won against Brighton. Good for confidence and good for momentum. But it ends there.
Pakuma say biabe kama.
Why?
More new player.
Kopama. Oh, they are settling and they needed this to boost confidence. And Rankomulusuya, a big boom mabim cry. I hope you get it. It will never boost to confidence and it will urge them. Say young conko denko yenimni. So
but I say as I report na hotel and can mama come and papa poku atna say na Ernesteba industry say and can say next ointment no kwakwaje de and tena ma bibi ho wansa e ma body ne ensay e ma nka e ma ni paduan obi wo ho a mfifiri tene kakra bi na oni ne bonsa ho a tumi say o bre papa ni nyina no say janku asra bia na sra Ernest ointment enso bia mo wanim kra nyefe we de na nkasa ho say ayese African map no unya Ernest ointment ebebo apa obai wan fie no enye kame ho nye hwam enche eno an sa odi bi ebe hyehye ho na de asrasa bema nso an egugu bema no ho no nya bi fa srasa na nkoyi ma eno atwo yuti ana nso bia begu tira no ni nyina no nya Ernest ointment ebebo empompo na ebo bibi na hono wa ni nyina de Ernest ointment esrasa so ebebo apa ema na ehoa na agimutiri nwi ase aboso no ni nyina enedwie nyina ebi wo ma ni bitim unya Ernest ointment a ebebo apapa sa so na de aduro bia be fa na awake natural capsules ema na mema nyina nom oba de so onya nka woni bema bonsa wo kra na body ne kan wa so ti bibi woni padua nom oba bi wo ha lack of libido na so oni atenka enu ntinu nya eye awake natural capsules ebebo bema e wo se odwonso ntentem odwonso awote yawo ni nyina onya bebebo apa se boost immune system yade basabasa ni nyina no eto ebetime twa ama bia ye kama enam yade nyina na etu ase na me ka tro so oni 12 years amenu bi opemfo num bi obatan oso num bi sa so na me ka tro so openi doso patu akoton a obefre number me di 0245 079915 and 0276 537701 uwo kumase a fo ani kirem e wo bia me kire we den heba Mr. Heba Kolina Heba have made pharmacy na Chris K Heba uwo eye enkran so a Okaishi Drugland Case Walk Heba Rapash Ventures Tinatet Heba Baseline Pharmacy Nisi Pharmacy Rejoice uwo koforudu akwa Gapson Pharmacy Delight Pharmacy Drug Right Pharmacy, Beno Pharmacy, and our PM Kokoso School B Pharmacy, Hillside Pharmacy, and BB Pharmacy, Castle Tribe of Judah, Court Nakwaja next one to be Bianya Kama, Papa Poku. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Now, what to say? Asantuan Kumasana Ghana for some of the Wasefonra, the powerful advice how the Maomo.
Because Brana Yabono will be beating me, Unya and the Bonnet crop as all you feel. With Bukako fans, empty as Remo. Sadance Sremupi Mofanya drama.
What's my domiansa, young queen?
The first 3 minutes, 3 years, they be a bad drop. Ya Manchester United both ye 12 times in 3 years.
And be woman.
I mean, come on, explain that to me.
Because Mons has a Newcastle United fans be accused.
Newcastle and Omo Manchester City. Omo ye 10 changes from the team that won 8-0. It was Sheffield. And a Manchester City so yeah changes. Alex Bob, Rico Lewis, a lot of young players. So Jeremy Doku, Josko Guardiola, Kovacic, Ushima Babi Akanji, Nathanake. Shabona. Alexander Isak. You have a call for the man show. Isak net me I show more you my film. Na Pep Guardiola ewie no ehun say oko referee no so ko bisa no 1 or 2 bi na say ha no he's a perfectionist and adeba ko wom ne say the more boss our competitions we kwa chi no na sharpen players
okay
because omo ntanya matches ni bi mo no ombenya bi abo nti wahwe na nsen yan so that so Carabao no mu a enye international break aye be kwa Sompa Wednesday Saturday Sunday, Tuesday, Saturday, for 1 month.
That's a bomber rotated
4 players. So be any be bounty players. And remember ball prum na coach. I don't know how many be more. But Embo Newcastle abaso. They made changes in their team too. And Rahul Paul Dammit, for the first time in 2 years, he was starting a game for them. Some of the French players, Jamal Lascelles, Mubobi, Jacob Murphy. Into Newcastle stage when now invest no more and come drew. Some of these big games, not a mama or quine, no more be Bobby, no more big boys. No. Last year, Mulusu final. This year, they are in round 4. Round 4, no, round of 16.
Okay.
About Newcastle abaso. Now, maybe I am kaka cry choir. Na Pep Guardiola person church and inse muche referee no. Ye pon ball no. And so unya Pep na original TV no so na on the referee no kasa na call referee no bisa no 1 or 2 questions be near de na honsem kama.
Papa Mami Musa said the early exit of Man City. Na Pep since Oba Man City free mu early stage say that want to crowd the 4th round obeko. A bit more affect home season.
Oh, it could because players need be nya matches bimbo. But a young small is a blessing in disguise.
Sir.
Yes. We say this is the first time I offer him before round 4. So statistic the last 10 editions of this competition I have won. Wajimu 6 or Majimu 6. Manchester City. Ajimu 6.
Onon kwam say Wajimu 4 say Pep.
That should tell you how dominant they become in this competition. Very dominant. You know, I mean, it's quite worrying. Say, Sompa Sports. But those little things in football. There's a Dokunu got 2 pass be my Foden, and the fan and him he did everything right, but he overhit the pass briefly. You get it? You know, Saneti. One of those days, and then Manchester City met a good team. Okay. Newcastle, a decent team that can trouble anybody. Obia Ombisha Obi Ombitimi no abo. Na near Yane say at the round of 16 last year 2 finalists in Bakube Kofie.
Da.
Yeah. Because here draw. Manchester United a draw. Newcastle. That's you get draw na. You never draw near Mesrin. Nipa okoyi Newcastle. Because Newcastle is number 16. Paul Scholes DK and DK Manchester United 16 in the Atamato on. Nipa who TV no done good man.
Former Sunderland.
They are bitterest rivals. And a good man Koyi Sabo na and Manchester United. But I know ye bisa say Tina for the past 3 years, both FA Cup and Carabao, 12 draws, meaning on both yanum. Dry no be kwa away, no be ako home, omo both ye.
Omo kwa de fi Old Trafford wa.
Adenti. Etrebeni. Nemum on the other side. Omo bo Premier League teams 2 on the bounce. How? Because Ipswich mun na nemu nsi e be catch you say draw. Manchester United about Crystal Palace. Omo ko bo Newcastle. Na se witi anyi na ohwe senior parents na si akona. Said there are quite so my draw na. Said there are a number of all Premier League games I be bo ha. Sompa Sports. West Ham
Arsenal
all Premier League game. Liverpool and Bournemouth all Premier League pairing. Say Everton also so bo and I mean, but it is what it is. Name me the entire say 12 draws in 3 years. They be ayanum almost sorry almost tifie. Mira, I can't Premier League na sema. West Ham, Arsenal, Everton, Burnley, all Premier League. Manchester United, Newcastle, all Premier League. Bournemouth, Liverpool, all Premier League. Into quarterfinals, no. You be League 1, League 2. Championship sites no do on our womb.
Okay.
Na kwa bebre. Nti neso ye wa almost 30th October na week na start here. Ye nyina ebenye biahwe. Premier League no. The Inter Kudus ekom ne ani age na ona na man of the match. E bia befa bia Kudus. The Premier League has got a global hype appeal. Omutimi peja de ma obia tibi. Ene de adogo apaso omo we no. Dominic Szoboszlai. Wa crowd here. also when you are British football line Premier League India Premier League India Obo Liverpool India
sir
India.
What is it not about the quality?
No, I mean, it's never been in doubt unless you don't know him. So, Obo, his ability to strike the ball, and you're nothing. A Premier League now, Obo born in India. We are hungry 3 years ago. Maybe I born that was smart to boom.
Okay.
This is for Hungary. That time we did 19. Yanko Red Bull Salzburg. Sabren no we saying 18 in a Champions League game. He did this. And he said, "Oba Premier League game no about we shall. We crab be than name wait here."
Okay.
But the hype, hey, I'm not sorry, baby, I be fair. The hype.
Sports.
And this is normal. We are a month for any abra fan World Cup na ye. The the next Steven Gerrard is the hype. The media surrounding the Premier League because what body who crossing say Ebra no sir. I'm an mind any clubs Salzburg and Leipzig near. But the appeal and the allure of the Premier League. So what makes a midfielder stand out?
Okay.
We would. Because say shorter. Then we would characterize you say we a ton and aswa and no bobby. But what does he do without the ball? And the money is very effective. You can't quite say how. And no, the first semi-final happened. Now, I feel na me say India Liverpool for no want to replace
Sompa Sports.
Andre now of Fluminense. And no, dream say me nya kwenya say o me nya hwede a mehwe semi-final bi Maracana Stadium International and Fluminense. Akrabia dynity of Fluminense team o Shenajesi. If any John Kennedy. Bradinyami. Brazil for them preparing, he's their next number 9, minimum the age. Next number 9, I'm preparing. We're a game between two Brazilian teams, International Porto Alegre and Fluminense. Name Argentina in the next game. No. German Cano on our first goal. German Cano, ye could be no. Was 11 goals in the Libertadores this season.
And he's
a driving force. And I have Fluminense team now. Erika bo John Kennedy Dean, bo Andre the midfielder, and then German Cano, Marcel Alonso. And he Omamuya take ankasa. Omo boss obe kai match bi omo boy a Utia Uruguayan player bi now. Now boys ni na abuto ye no. He had to speak to them say, I'm sure that's so plan, but that's one of the dangers of their career. Omo nyina amfa nto omo. It happens. On the other side, Guy Bishop 10GC Edema International from a fellow Alan Patrick. Now, two attackers in TD on Modebo John Kennedy, Alan Patrick. So Brazilian. Look, honestly, in Bobo. Now, in the course of the game, especially the 2-2 goal, quite offer so Danny it was quite impressive. And you know, I don't mean say Valencia free Turkey. Abaha. I say almost Bomber International for Nibi. And that Alan Patrick guy. Oh, come on. And your uncle Hugo Malu, the Spanish guy, is also there. We're free Spain ever ball Brazil. Which is also quite impressive. And then Charles Aranguiz. And so international team.
But what they could do now.
You know, so how do you uncle so? Gremio. So that is Alan Patrick. No, yeah, Marcelo Munwe Jumakrana, Oja Mutu Babia, German Cano, Ebete Kanmania Tutu. Into your course second leg in a fortnight's time. Near BC, where Jam Marcelo out to baby cry, where Joma to baby, where Joma to baby, and I'll Nimbo. Then other semi final Flamingo and Boca Juniors. It is a Boca Juniors arm for Monai NC for ma. We are facing a potential all Brazilian final.
Flamingo.
Versus
so omo coach kwani so omo say tit beba.
This is like so Flamingo share Boca Juniors then we are ebenya all Brazilian final. Okay. Final no so senior na say we Europe no. So master say omo there na omo say omo final no Rio de Janeiro. Okay. This time around. So it I mean it will be a celebration of football. But look, Fluminense for the Brazil national team coach the other sound. And that John Kennedy boy, oh, only a matter of time.
Medase, Papa Poku and our ten and Kano say what the perfect submission at the Abba. Meko Jeffrey Asari the Apostle Nemum Boris B chicken. Ese and Kancho say and nam papa ne and Coco Papa the Bantini Feni BBC a bonasa and Ranisan and Pewa. And to make a uye program bia now Paco ni fool and also open a tie, open chicken wings, open ni gizzard, open a dear bia. Odi anu anso do ani bechimo Boris B ho na obema oso nsa kan wodi anu achino branches bebre ade se do ani chimo Bantam High Street a oni presby asori di anhwe na outlet ni bi no na Aswase market e bi o Santas runabout oni Unity Oil and the benso sanso na kopie mo Poku Trade na dum SG More Top High Tech and a Shell Body Junction from 0544 44 44 53 0544 44 44 53 and no Boris B no Jeffrey Asari the Apostle. Nyame adom na so e.
Nyame adom.
Na se Saudi Arabia for omo se nyom de ya. Se omo se omo ba England any Europe about the pay referees do mark for permanent basis.
But one forget our word was appointed by them. So they say so that's the level. Me say omo discuss on answer the expertise cause we are there.
E go me rema me kenka there say omo pe referees omo ye good Premier League no. And watch across Europe.
Baby, Omodi project na could do the caliber of players on bound. Baby, a near bag game globally now. Top media organizations. Hida Tomu can Saudi Arabian League accept. And no more discuss it. Baby, a grown could do no. A somunya referees are ma a grown back of them. Go money mercy. So I mean, it's just a matter of time. That's the next phase of the project. Get quality.
Omokan language be wasan katwi kasa ne ye kan bi ho nan ko
assembly okay pass them there jaka now quickly so once again Enra Sundowns has set a new record and like I say I know the Oman monopolizing league no the game against Stellenbosch bien sure a mistake from Ray Peterson I had the third choice goalkeeper Sundowns goalkeepers Ron Williams in number 1 Dennis Onyango number 2 Kennedy Mwina retire so in the course of because gave me a non-ship people, so the coach Rulani Mukwen decides to be Ryan Peterson. Or a mistake at the board chair Devon titles of Stellenbosch, you know, say. But that's once again that is what Wamo board Lucas Moripe Stadium, which is their stadium, trust them to show character. Now, Grand Kekana corner no head you know, that's the equalizer. But check the free kick. The free kick by Aubrey Modiba. As top class, top class. Now that's what I know. Lil free team. No, he has now taken over top class, and then also the third goal was scored by Siambonga Mabina, a 16-year-old goal like say Peter Shalules Eshe, but the mark of a matured player. This is a young player. He made in and debut, you know, and now also there be me boy young player. No, the pass Peter the partner to Siambonga Mabona, 16-year-old, and that was it. I mean, top class. Go from the young chap 16-year-old Siambonga Mabona. Now, with Neoma, you know, in the history of South African League, only had the first time 32 games unbeaten.
Wow.
Because now Chiefs they hold the record in 2005. Now they've gone 8 consecutive games and they won. And also start Baxter time or Kaiser Chiefs 2014, 2015 and that record. So Rulani Mukwena be coach Bia. Even though when you winning Champions League to equal what the boss Peter Misimani here, but what he's doing is incredible. The records that he's shattering is incredible. And I believe that one of the teams are making this year's CAF Champions League. I don't know. So I'm going to demo against WAC. I'm about 2-2 home now, which clearly shows that or lucky the maturity when it comes to big games and decision making. Trust me, they are a team to be in the CAF Champions League. Now, Minko, Dr. Patrice Mochepe. And of course, 2025 I call for Morocco.
African country that is bidding for 2030. So the decision that was taken today was in the context of all of those countries withdrawing and the discussions and to focus on African unity and African development and growth. So the AFCON 2025 is going to be hosted by Morocco. Can we clap hands for Morocco, please? Well,
okay, right. So Morocco, first of all, Morocco is in AFCON 2025 for a country I'll be for 2026 World Cup, but the weight of those countries and then political influence that lead to America, Enya, Canada, New Mexico, Enya Sano. This really in Kenya news. Morocco hosting is no news. Now the point is that Morocco, no, they are more than qualified. We South Africa for South Africa, Algeria, and Morocco. And Egypt. There is no other nation that have top class infrastructure facility than them.
Okay.
So that's it. So what the manual, because what the CAF expect to say, yeah, the tournament man one, almost infrastructure. A key infrastructure, yeah, very key. Say what about stadium, no, your matches, no, and because I got 24 nations, so you need 6 stadia. 6 no out of the 6, 2 I say 40,000 capacity. Rest to year 2022 to 25,000.
Sompa Sports.
And they more than have it. Look, just a quick grand shoot. Start Morenkeb. And then Prince Moulay Abdullah Stadium.
Named after King Mohammed.
Good. Now, we there more Dubai, but we there go to the stadium. This Mohammed the Fifth Stadium. You will start Adra Stadium. You will start the Marrakesh. Start the Batel Stadium, Felix Stade Amre Stadium, Stade Honor, Stade Municipal, Al Bekani Stadium. So they have more than this. They can host the World Cup. So who the AFCON more, please, and nothing. So that must be established. They have almost more than the required infrastructure. If every CAF require, they can host the World Cup, just like South Africa have done. Now, secondly, security is the second biggest thing because teams, national teams never no and secure for that type of also be Abidjan through Domai. Omunya so bomb then tourists bus so bomb ho buy. So security Morocco no. In fact, the 5th in the whole world, the 5th safest tourist nation and destination. Better than France, better than Greece. Yes, only Spain, Iceland more. I think Spain, Iceland, Singapore, and we above them. Say baby, I will qua. Obe, bese me ko share Mohammed V Stadium. Anyway, asumdwe wapa. And they have top class training pitches. They are sure about your training pitch. So that for them is not a problem. But ironically, even 1988 when this is the second time I go to host the AFCON anyway. 1988 when was the AFCON, it was also for Zambia. Zambia were built to host an by this time also a Guinea. Once Guinea 2014 I had to Emma Guinea. It was 2019 schedule for Cameroon. 2021 Ivory Coast Enna Guinea 2023. But unfortunately because Cameroon to me 2019 it was 2019 Egypt ebe civil situation to host it. And that was what the president is talking about. Name of person avoid. Sorry as here. And okay, this is 1988. So where Morocco hosting a tournament and it's Nigeria versus Nigeria and Cameroon in the quarterfinals. This was a tournament for Roger Miller and Cyril Makanaki, Francois Omambik, Paul Mfede, Emil Limbo, Benjamin Massing. This was a tournament for the Andre Kanabi. Jack Sungu was the best goalkeeper of the tournament. Antoine Bell, Jack Sungu was on the bench. Antoine Bell was the best goalkeeper. Now this tournament, and Morocco hosted it. Since then, they've not hosted any tournament again in relation to. So, and ironically, like I said, Zambia and SLC no more stepping in. Now, Guinea and SLC no more stepping in. So, ironically, but they've arrived now. I mean, this Cameroon, that's the time Cameroon winning second one, that's still their 4-9 no. But when you say Cameroon, you winning one, no more winning bill. So they say, this is where we are. They won 84, first one. We won 82, fourth one. So I share the state of. So, I mean, it's fascinating for Morocco because Ombe hosting Ma AFCON 2024. That will be a dress rehearsal for the. Okay. So very good for them because it's 2025. So 2024 almost in Madiano. Almost in Madiano so only last year. A dress rehearsal for them, which is very good. They more than deserve it. And don't forget the rule also. Play any fouls like I played even Patrice Motsepe's election and everything. So they are powerhouse and a first record when it comes to Bibio Muhia Bia or Football Africa, they'll give it to them. So for me, that's a great way. Now, the 2027 CAF African Cup of Nations, I call for Kenya, Tanzania. For me, the three nations, Kenya, Uganda. Tanzania, Uganda. spectacular because NCDA on African continent.
East Africa one.
NCDA. No, East Africa has hosted tournament. Please, East Africa has hosted tournament.
Okay.
The first AFCON 1957 was hosted by Sudan.
Okay.
Yes, won by Egypt. Sudan. Now the second was hosted 1962 by Ethiopia. Ethiopia winning here. Ethiopia has hosted 1962, 68, and 76. The last time Ethiopia. So Oma hosted 4 times East Africa. Because don't forget Sudan Aji Cup in 1970, Omuchwa Ghana. Ethiopia won 1962. They beat Egypt. So they've won the East African since 76. Omu hosted tournament. And since 1970, Omu winning tournament. 76. Ironically, the only time Morocco Suji Cup.
Okay.
So Otie goalkeeper Mohamed Hazaz, the best goalkeeper in the history of Morocco. Otie Abdelhamid Sherif Fetou, the best centre back they've ever had. Ahmed Faras, who's their best striker they've ever had in the history of Morocco. They came against Guinea. The Guinean team dominated by Papa Sherif Kamara, Suleiman Sherif Kamara. You have Papa Kamara, and then you have Suleiman Sherif Kamara, who was the best player in 1972. Papa Kamara was second best player 1976 after Roger Milla winning African best player. So you realize that Morocco has only won the AFCON once, 1976. Now, the reason why the Eastern African countries are, of course, one of the major objectives of AFCON is to the smaller nations develop infrastructure. Very key. So the East African countries after 76 they are now back, but back as a powerhouse to win. But at least develop infrastructure.
Okay,
that is how come the 3 East African countries have it. Okay. For me, it's a very good objective of the president for them to be able to give opportunity to Sheda and Nistadia. But for AFCON, Sheda Nistadia Papa Bebre. I bet any ochina. So, AFCON, Nankasa, Ghana and Nigeria, the first ever co-hosting was 2000, Ghana, Nigeria. The tournament was by Cameroon.
Okay.
The second one, 2012, was Equatorial Guinea and Gabon. So, I know cry 2 nations. So, this is even the third time the history of AFCON since 57. 3 affects time, but the third time we are doing a joint host by countries. So, a very good thing for Sebi Patrice Mochebi. So
Oma come the convince Cafes Esco say with one visa no bit me their entire East Africa, of course, 7 countries.
It's one of the things Sekafa here very well. And Mami look, Leodenga Tenga Wallace Carrier. Leodenga Tenga, former Sekafa president, I've met him twice. And then Wallace Carrier, and he currently in the most get for my idea to Omama and all clubs or more. Share clubs or more ball club competition. Say East African clubs a lot. The only East African club that have done very well in the past was Vital Club of Uganda. Our Hafia Club Echo Finals 72 Hafia Club Shomu. Since the East African clubs and shit and call in idea. What the young guy has done in the finals. Listen to US audience. Look at what Simba is doing 2 quarterfinals. So East Africa, this past president of Sekafa, all of a sudden, East African football they need to be encouraged with such a huge tournament. Logistics, transportation, security a major issue because the first time 3 nations you need a precedent there. And Tiahona is a calf of because a movement between the 3 countries. And even though I'm share border, I want to be very critical for them.
Because I know we share various tabloids from South 3 countries. Made story by
so they can't. None of the countries on its own can host AFCON.
Me da say, Mami na Jeffrey Asari the Apostle. I say, na me call Trinity of Arc for one. I'm no more enkodi enkomo. Mr. Francis waha. Sasuna Sandra eso ewaha. Mr. Francis, good morning.
Good morning.
Na boko de.
Admoluta na so.
Nyame adom. Birthday no so say koye.
Koye pa.
Ye da nyame ase. Ye ma trim kwaso. Na Trinity for Debia mo de nsempa ni nkwansasem ene ejapade breye. Na mo de na breye.
Sompa Sports.
Luta medawasi. Na mafasa kwen so na match ya wahwefo ni wotifu nyina. Si 20 dia say ya basi ya. Dem ya me kan say ya no akontu me manai na mafisa kontu hu sem no hu na ombo entisa tebe ka say ya do be cause say they would free some round about echo atunsu sa pepepe na 54 yewo Luta, so a quick one. Me and Papa Woman.
Okay.
Mr. Hernafum.
Sompa Sports. Nyabo Tremano, Papa Paddy, Nyabo Tremano, and I wish happy birthday.
Number pass, I'm first out for the case. Now I'm out, I'm a man who say, Ono Dimba Yassi. Do you mean I'm telling you now? No. And my meeting when Mikasa. As a studio out here, I need this over beyond getting a casa. To meet me, we are no. Nanteti Papa, the mammy. And a men metia medanasi na gana ina mo amkase aja ya me shiraw o tete papa o de mame
they say way
o se buakum
sefi
buakum
okay
luta me ko masem so obi o ha na otie me obi wa otekam e me obi frem ka say na otekam na o si enti wo handa anti o fa number no ko a enti number de ani hia me pa ti mbe hye na mbe say ma ready number 2 dwa ansa na master t de o se me kan bia.
Number is 0531
0531
644
217
0531 644 217 and 0531 633 556 0531 633 556 and 0244 06 23 89 0244 06 23 89.
Okay, Luta. Street of Arc Limited Company. The flagship program be about Canada Nursing Review.
Okay.
See, nursing for health practitioners. So we are medical doctor, we are lab technician, we are physician assistants. Now, person we are relocation to Canada. You are mafi boa. Street of Arc, you go. Akwenya ema money na.
Demo dia ba no.
Ye dia ba no. You go so ye. For November intake no kwampo de November December intake no. Was January intake no de ayende a ye your process en chombe figure na akọ. Ye me rukutu for January to March intake ne se rukuti. Ye di omo kọ amomonya amoto e wo kro no so. Isi ye do omo kọ no obi say ana me kokọ he na meda. Because unim ho 20 won hye ya mamu nyina mo accommodation na bi on beda bia na ma 2 years it 2 months am free. You see ye ma multiple visa am akotra Canada ye adwuma abra wonya problem bia obi say was oh na insurance ya dey a Canada omo fo ni akro institute of ehye mu say ye ma insurance am na cover the whole 2 years na all the kono wo the 2 years work permanent visa na eko.
Okay.
In the hospital ko so makonya mo adwuma abra wo under review awo form TTMC Canada omo lost rules and regulations say government omo health petition and na ye do wan ko fam na wonye omo ha bodin kata wo dey adwuma hospital ho
ne nyina chi no so na wo jiska
wo ye adwuma hospital wo me ye tuaka access ka se me bodin a wo ye mbehyew eya sem kutokwa sade de we na 20 of arc ye wo magana.
Okay.
Obi say me de menye health petitioner na mo me won san dwuma bi say Tyler obi say plumber obi say construction workers we nyina so ye o Canada o person ko ye wo konya de man a o ko 2 years work permanent visa with accommodation everything e kan ye ne o kwa ye ko jawu si Canada na ye ja o say ko ne mum ye wo agencies a on be hia wo on be do ko bia be tena bia be adwuma nyina chichiro wo yen say ye o hye papante no usika obeje ne ha usika kwa obeje ne ho no ye kotu chire wo ha.
Okay.
Asana wako adwuma obeje no ye kotu chire asana wako
sise ye pa no no
panenti na ma winyi na gu akwam enti won konko ka say o mo ka so bem say na mdu asesa ye mo hu na akọ so bebam past glory omo mdika ko ya na ye du onfa so na me kwan betran hye suti no omo ko no omo hye papa omo mito omo tra ho eye adwuma ye oromu enyamfum so bia obi an compre ne samdem ko no mo ka se bam sare bi na mam ya mam si ya mam ti nye sa pepepepepe enam ko di e wo magana funti yo Canada truck drivers truck drivers.
Okay.
Obo ha na all as DOF to twika kese safo yo koyema na eno no okọ ye family package oni obusua ye yama wona oyiroma bia omo under 18 years ye do mu nyina kan do bia omo bia do mu nyina kan akọ ama akọtena ho na fa so wo mu ni okọ a after 2 years obenya citizenship Canada aye the man o the permanent resident na ekọ okọ a accommodation free transportation be ko djuma free company na fund ni
emo de
weni hye papa ye wo magana fo Luther your motor
work about of number na sa tum dwam me biem Sunday.
Number is 0531
0531
644
644
217
217
0531
0531
644
644
217
217
and 0531
0531
633
633
556
556
0531
0531
633
633
556
556
and 0244
0244
06
06
23
23
89
89
0244
0244
06
06
23
23
89
89 Mr. Francis Yanko.
Luta, Australia work payment wo. Yewo Lithuania enso wo ho.
Okay.
Yewo Croatia wo ho. Poland wo ho. Nye work payment any 2 years work payment visa. Yewo New Zealand ya. 3 years work payment visa na wo de ko.
Okay.
New Zealand. Work payment visa. 3 years work payment visa. You see, ye do ko accommodation secured. Insurance e cover. Ye do ko 2 years.
Mudi ni pa ne ko ba bi obeda.
Ni nyina.
Ansa no be free akono ni ba bi okoda.
Ba bi oda. Na the man eso one eso nko na trinity ma me cry say me tell me kasa mo kudo ne say.
Okay.
Oko no 2-3 years work payment out New Zealand no. After 3 years you no payment amount 5 years rest the payment out New Zealand.
Bakadi.
We need shape opportunity for work. You see me say this year and next year early next year. How for say be ma. Because client dey rom ko nyina so person ba be there dance so mako.
Okay.
Eya almost say my past glory pay testimony ahwe. You see office ne bie no enye n'adwuma ya ye. N'adwuma ya dada. Ene dey be office no. Because the man for kwa omo na mo fa so enyan ene dey be office we. It is street of ark enye semfo bi ankoi. E dey man for kwa du ko. Na this testimony dey ba be office ya.
Okay.
Be we higher. Na me cause Romania ho. Romania and dey make say promotion twam. Nti head am fufu nyu bia no betima ko Australia, nyu betima ta ko UK and Canada. Ni mo yonkofo mo so sikasem wo fom. Aye Romania fufu fom mo. Romania Eastern Europe e ho nye ba bia kwa o payment no so esi sabra Ghana be presa ko no. Wo ko no 2 years work payment visa na ejama. Wo ko do after 2 years no company na eboa mo nya resident payment 5 years e Romania ho. Na ni years country to bi Ghana ha. Na okwa ko yedwuma twa kan no. Kitwa bi ude twaka krabi wo ha mo twaka krabi wo Ghana ha ukoduro mani ho ade aka no ye adwuma na tua
aba nye trinity of aka why na be ni say
ezalo nya sakra ye wo Denmark ho Denmark payment Denmark eno ye wo won san adwuma this say o ye carpenter
na se ba bia mo kire kire nse ye da ho
e she da ho eti ye ba bia ni offer na ye fa wo nko
okay
ba bia ni se bia ye wo ho de betimi aye o links e beti wa ko ye fa wo ye nkampo Denmark no se wo ye oye carpenter na say oye mason na say wood worker na construction worker na say owo apprenticeship certificate or even MVT certificate ya fabra ne fa nko na dwuma wo ho 2 years work payment is a subject to renewal for 5 years resident payment or Denmark ayamon member we visa Denmark so exchanging visa na ejama
okay
and once we enter there when your resident payment ya
utimi rumi ba bia
exactly we need shape pay wo ma etedwuma no ndinim de eka
na mo kira kwan no wo hene
yewo Kumase anakasoa
okay
Kumase yewo Adoato Masalachi before so bedu Shell filling station yewo Abrepo junction no when the taxi for ebre apake wo ho so besi wo Adoato Masalachi
na bo trainer say odu Abrepo junction aso wo metro mass
ho no
taxi for na wo taxi rank ho na
exactly
obusa wo say Adoato a
yeah
okay
ye do beko anakasoa nse yewo New Market Road Fidelity Bank building yewo first floor opposite Commercial Bank.
Okay.
Ehona na yedi edwuma.
Na
mi wie no be se me bobokru bi so a na omfre na imamu nkyeremu bi se Poland Germany or visit visa or Germany Australia so visit visa ba Australia
visit visa
aba Australia ya na ye wo Azerbaijan enso study payment opeso kusko ho a enso wo ho na ye wo Ukraine study visa so wo ho obeka se Ukraine dem to quality bibia da din ye do ko nam se papa wuta do ko mo ko nya kusua de e de aba abeboa o man Ghana when ye wo e wo ho dem me wie no luta ana go bi say na 24 den ko na be me ya jiwodi you see ye fit try and error you say when your production you see ye kase ye do ko niema nhyehyɛ ya ya anya embassy be refuse visa no ye nim nti ye visa acceptance 100%.
Okay.
You refuse visa. It say bia ache che de betimi ache because you control embassy no. Embassy na e de hye ye de aka je say betimi di sa period I am na se bia mo hye mo ntimi a na me bia ache but se chekro na visa de beje ma se be ba se ye do visa to se refi so de bi nsi ye hoda
me da se
we ne hye papa o magana fo omra ne embo mo or the Oko Accra, New Market Road, Fidelity Bank building, your first floor, and downtown, opposite Accra, New Market Road Commercial Bank, and direct opposite, Ubio Caribbean, your own location. Kumasen so, I before Jansa Hona Kana, I brought to Masalachi. I brought to Masalachi, oh, for taxi now, there was a phone in your office, or free your base of Masalachi, or Honey,
Medase Mr. Francis and Sandra and a buyer Trinity of our company limited about control some dia Ghana or money a down or more or mona bet office how do one say or more demaye now what you boss me there in Ghana I she say metron coport when you see Canada na de call na kwaje dollars ni bibra na wabra bonse sana bushia no so ye mu kakra na bia nye kama ye bedo mo asepa so mba na ebidi nkomo na ye die ho ye ba ye de aka nyina beto aso e de ma
wahwese wakosho akodi dwa hodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma hodo ehia opa we delay musa edrus na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se untimi nchante ye me chance number na so he ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yaka ko bia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or network bia so straight direct sharp enti say water provisions fuel inro inuane me say bia o pese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash ama na ye mremremra ma o ye hia obeya de say obedale *110# netua ka ko merchant bia ho e wo network bia so
Vodafone. Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
That's a long ball into the penalty box right now, and number 7 receives that. He's gone past the defense. This must surely be it. Goal!
With only 50 pesos, you can win 5,000 Ghana cedis weekly in the Betway Tap-In Jackpot. Diwihine. Bet responsibly. Not for persons under the age of 18. This advert has been approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
Hey, it's here for Game Pack 4 Pick One Game na ya channel. I said ya bedroom. Choose one by the wakoma so. Every the number 1, Equity 36. Chani boom, na share him say, ube disika bocho, wabra ye number the pie. Bobo won, na ye ready say, ube di mula, wabra wucha from 1 Ghana cedi to 350 cedis. Na face kana ube channel. Fabo home predio nusia, metire 26 times. And what's up Pick One Game imu. Chabano, abra wubo *946# on all networks. Ana a face ube timia kwenye website. Ana ube timia download the Game Pack app now. Ewo www.gamepackgames.com. Share live draws. Ewo Adum TV. Anopa nonkron. Area Dumienu. Ene nyumre no nsia. Debia. Game Pack. More mula. More power. Sagrodi. National Lottery Authority in Sashasi. Enye mo mundi mfie dumwachi. Bono washe yim.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu. Na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu oto ase ka wo se dwe wo srem woje ho ba bi a enye na no na 21st clinic ba ya adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bi a gi 21st clinic nko wo mu dia bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo ma gidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana bia wo 0540311311 0540311311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert.
Esikafo wo krom wo de yi ana nanse yi didi hu nkomo yi an wakofa abrofo free abrochira ba be sin in terms of fefefe sa no akwa ma se abrohafo 52 estate construction and ese dan kama sa no e ka no so nya hu bia o 52 52 estate construction firms in Kwan AC Woodane. Some because of Sompa. Company need and a friend of 52 estate construction. Oh, I see. Aha. What on Sassy and your diamond swing, and that was see a dance or tongue or some managing properties. Natural say, Upa Dayato, Upa Sasiato, and as a Upa Mokubia, I'm in modern houses. I'm when you be at her. Mo, now, unim, we feel crowd was see a Timono. Sir, Nebrachum, now we jar the ma 52 estate construction for. That is a design in your Fabian. Mo, yes, I won't put down in a group. But so, Bessia down more than one sure one casa would do fear. Wow, 52 estate construction. Our Kisseman, Gimpa Achimata Road, for 0556 72 33 38. And the Kumasanso, page 4 and 12 Road, over 0531 52 57 97. Social media Nyanso, at 52 estates.
Right, yeah, some walk about the Sompa 93.1 FM. Shannon set 12 never sorry, so full time. And I think when you said, bro, messages out about on Facebook, me me year flow at the amount. Nemo me catch or say nature medics for say. And the men tell my debiando crow, memo yamus show, debia me malaria ba, malaria no 2 kwa here waba, and my malaria number beam, yet typhoid fever and yomo so, more now, let me sound quite shower soon team. And in Tom say, you would dimpa heba mesha. And on some malaria typhoid fever wonu nya ode agree kini beka se anorexia acho unya bebe boa wan wapon waposo eye oya ase wa ebuhu ase mafie awodeme ni nyina no unya eye dimpa eba me se beboa ye gasto mesha eno no ye osedo tatahwe papa me kan se de eye tatahwe se osana ajo yam kuro no ama so tia na ete aduane wuntimi ni de aduane to ye mana yam tutu unya gasto mesha beboa ye de menso plus mesha na ba me se obai microphone kase papa we ne yira taa no wo ko kas ma kire papa no anka nche ne yira wo mfiu ni nyina no se wo mfiu no wo sisi wo papa bi wo ma wo ne che wo ne hwam emema no mo pe anubom covid no emema no bi wo mo de wo ma no edidi wase enu ntini se wo sisi ho ye na so wo ye anubom covid na so wo tenka boni bi wo na so wa ama bi ma obedidi abonte ni nyina se mensu plus be ma ho no aye kama edi ama ho enu ntimi so se miamia wo nyina ado ni kire obenya bi ato Mr. ba okuma se jafe ba o mankasim na heba o Cape Coast nim je heba o Takrade na na boache ba ebi wa akrebu otema na Ekus Pharmacy wo asama frɛ omo e wo 0248 778899 0248 778899 na bia enye ye enso enfama Game Park Limited Game Park for say ene more mula more cash sikano emra gauta ganama ni nyina no say omo di dwuma de bia ba from number 1 to 36 sa numbers no na every day bia no Adum TV anopa no nkono awia prem tobre ena nwumre no nsia omo no 3 times into fear for kra na ye wa ubenya bia di ama sebre na asesa enu ntino mo se select o numbers no na se o numbers be 4 na se ebo a betuma twa no 1 cedi betuma twa for 1 cedi akosi 350 Ghana na sika ubedi no se de utwa no ye de tam se 26 so utwa no 200 cedis na se udi a 200 times 26 usika na bafu ICD asano na se no mapi na ade kofie eno ntifa ho jim na obedale star 946 all networks na wa hwe na wa follow na bibia aye kama uni 18 years amfa ho anyim eno edi froba sanso na Vodafone omse ne de Voda cash ntino eni kwa so sorry na mekotua me ECG bill mekotua me light bill mekwesi da bi dawo dem tina office and lorry for the risk involved ni nyina Vodafone for so matwam enu nti do be no say wo de fa phone no na sika to wallet no so Voda cash na dial star 110 hash select option 4 make payment na oba option 1 pay bill select option 3 utilities na option 2 ECG watua ohoto wan ko ba bia within 1 minute watua ene Voda cash no nyakakra to wallet no so no tua na bia nya kama ene Voda cash Vodafone feather together eno de tie no no na ye ka kire say ene de no madidam osoko say in one asset o say ato de na atumi ato e de ma Royal Foam Ghana Limited almost dada ye daso da ye papa dana ho ni nyina no se obenya mattress papa swada almost yan kan tro say oba omo factory premises wa sokore mampon ba bia CCC e wo no behu omo ho omo showroom ho mattress ahodo papa ene gugu ho obia said ye to ye carpentani a na se onkrofo bedwo die nya mattress papa fa ye nkunya papa emomo akonya bi ho a wotra sosore ya na amem na akofom empa bi ho a unyo hotel de no koto so a obewie match no na mpa mattress na sa ayira afon ne nyina se kwaje royal foam mattress na bia enkoye na papa hotel for no omu yisu eno chi usu nya bia bebo apa discount so matete so o tono ne yese cho pillow sumye kama ama bia so ye fine from 0202 27 1000 0202 27 1000 more branches be Ghana ha entifa ho shim royal foam rest assured 52 estate construction SN control say nyasase papa asase a enkeka wabo ni bia nu asase ye modi mbone asase tumi so woda wada eno eye bia ye omode bema wo omse uni sika kra bra ombe tumi aboa ma no makoye di amani nyina so omasase no ombe teso anaso mbe hihya ama ne sika no utwa ne kakakra na utwa ne kakrakra na so anya japade e di ato eno 52 estate construction say efie na wo pa to ana say efie u japade unia ha na peso mo hwe soma wan fanya wo faase no beba no da ye maasem o da gro medamase amafie no kura sei eno chi no behwe so kama upefie ato a ombenya bi ato e dia ma na eno chi asase no wato biso awie no ni si ombenya mason fom besi ama wo carpenter fom bebo so tiles ombe mu adwuma e ba light o ma mbe wo ye nyina no ombenya ho enoma eso dia ma ntifa ho to so na omo odimpa na dimpa so yesi na hunya na kumase ano omo page 4 anto akwa no so akra so no omo Kesma Junction Gempa Achimota kwa no so Udu Kofme Plaza ho na omo from 0556723338 and 0531 5275797 05531 525797 o from omnu bedin komo obakom website a obetime nyomo okopiem 52estate.com and our Facebook, Instagram na TikTok ubehu omo na bibia aye kama and some there wa bebre na golden betway golden code promo no echina Friday eba me fasika say metase sika say enu e betway golden promo no golden code promo mo say de tienie omo select matches no di amount na matches no omo select amount osun pi emu do sika wom entwa ne less than 1 cedi twa 1 cedi free one cost 50 cedis na so one ni atie one ni a omo sadu sika ma nye betway makoto ade na ade no me koto ye no wodi akwakwa de oye no se wokwa na anye yi asanfa bra na beju sika betway nhye no golden code promo bianya kama ema na wotwa wie be koso emfa nsema odo abobo na ofie no engu form eso emfa ema Sompa 93.1 FM live on Sompa TV na bibia so enye kama ensa semfri Ghana Football Association ne eye cast and some on tema youth back and raw shoot out so yenya daje be keka nsam no bebre na ne be se dom suko ni nyina no se owurama tema youth for e de asem koda cast ni nyina no se omo fe abrantia ye friend Joseph Pencil na abrantia omo ton no e de no kopie mu Belgium masika be 3 million euros bi e be pie mu na wo se team e friend no Young Red Bulls e wo so mu tuescan bi di mo ma efini ma team ye from tema youth akwanya so muntu omo de mfa mo na no diska omutua de mo no omo se da bisa 30% ne de omuntimi ntua ne entua ne kina eno nam so ema Young Red Bull fantasy esa de asem koda appeals committee after player status committee no appeals committee emo motena so ebu asem sa de tia tema youth for so muntua ska no emfa ma wo mo tema youth for ya asobrache no nam so ma omo de sanction eto omo so eto omo 3 points e wo division 1 zone 3 omo and some omo ko relegation wo division 1 no omo ko division 2 and na tema youth force omo te ase a enye ye nto omo de asem no ko da cars ese e ba se omo demotion e do omo ko division 2 no empanyimfo ankan hwe no omo ntwentwen so na kasem no omo nka e na cars na so omo se da bi nsem no omo ka no enyina so bia enim nti asem no omo abo atoagu na eno achi na nura efe 14 sempa in some that they know TB. Kim Faisal forces said there be relegation on Makono or Mutia Senior Yintin Komu Kokas Aquaji stay of execution ato so sɛ be ya anka GFA appeal committee no nsɛm no entimi nya adwuma mo nko edition 2 ni nyina no so mo ye case etia Tamale City for mo coach a ogyina bench sɛ coach no na oni tumi ɛsɛ so ogyina bench awo mo game awo no boy no sansɛm no koy na nkosi aga me ditia Kimfaisa force de bo mo tia ase enye yi ɛna mo de asɛm no ɛkɔkɔda cars mpanyimfo ɛtena asɛm no so mo se da bi Kimfaisa asɛm mo keka kai die ensem bia no eni so eno na o join your Sompa TV a eda so kama said you see and decision from cars and the asem ekoye and the buy nyina no edida so a yeso ye de following their relegation and the loss of the appeal case against the Tamale City FC. Kimfaisa FC appealed to cars to overturn the decision of the GFA appeals committee. Kimfaisa thereafter sought the stay of execution in order to continue participating in the Ghana Premier League for the 2023-2024 season until a final decision was reached by CAS. However, having considered all the arguments advanced by both Kimfaisa and GFA, CAS dismissed Kimfaisa's request for a stay pending the final determination of the substantive case. Eno de dawa ye de mamono no. Yengwa mu Asante Kotoko. Na Asante Kotoko sunra opinion friend Dr. Prosperity Ogum and in Central Force head of Gamer Omone Karela United bebo over the weekend Bed Power Premier League match week 3. And Ogum ekasa efa Kotoko supporters no es omunya abutre patient yente do ka kire omo.
I want to tell them is that it's a process. We are building a new team. We are building a team that can compete at any level. And building a team that can compete at any level, you need some patience, you need some time to be able to do that. I know the club I'm coaching is all about result. But the result will come if we do the right things from the beginning. And then to me, as a technical staff and the Palace and the IMC, we are doing the right thing by trying to make sure that we build a formidable team. So they have to be patient. What I want to tell them is that
and we are some Kotoko head coach Dr. Prosperity Ogum and the tuja as a Kotoko don't say a resource and I will pay win. Then Sumunya will or say be a process. Omonam kwano so results no ebeba. Now and what you know a young share a Kotoko na yebusa said Dr. Prosperity Ogum and request or dictate Edima a players nana.
As far as their lifestyle of the field is concerned, it's up to them. As a head coach and as a technical team, Steven is here. We don't force things down their throat. We ask them to express themselves, communicate with us, and they should feel free around us. And that is the wind that is blowing. And once again, no one has forced anybody to have their dress off.
And we sama Dr. Prosperity Ogum eso edit tuga na yankwa amano so na yankodi enkomo kakramra yane lawyer question ebedi nkomo Mickey lawyer ba amano so ni nkomo concerning Kimfaisa case no
lawyer Kwame Kwesi yamo akwa badeba Sompa TV Kumase se bibia okay na and court proceedings so minima there obetimi aboye mu there na free court ne hihye mu aba abontia and obetimi ne ahwefo ne etiefo ache
very simple sabi you say yen kwan case na court before yen GFA but no court na what that na court no every day be cases baby until where they difficult say cases in no to me and settle on it same day court no by procedure and process more argument judge no none home for no early on but mama a new judge for that particular court I'll be handle all cases but then also no judges are warriors in Ghana in magistrate. So magistrate no more district court after district court no circuit high court appeals court supreme court all judges in almost all conference. Last 2 weeks lawyers are Ghana
yeah
judges in be society lawyers or judges almost all the judges are lawyers apart from magistrate for and they almost joining lawyers by way the judges on corner. Yeah, lawyers no baby judges good as
yeah say
but judges no lawyers and the net the judges on corner because of the court one kind you know Ghana you know they are not sitting court we over could be a any okay obi a date kumate kora no court you know ma date in nti bi na esi na ba ya nkasa no na ya file bibi wo court wo enra nti na ya date dada ayo on the 12 nti omuka so kinsade ene yamkona ya ba 12 na ya try the case nti sa na ekosi
nti court ni hihye mu no Nyankopon ya adoma October 12 ana omobet na asem no so na okasa no ka bibi se enra no na mosma file bibi obetimi ache mu kakra dey important na mo file and how related and there to the substantive case
and one say o file bibi a so GF for no respond and you respond na sports omudi nsem hunu bi wo ma wo ho kwan say also I clarify what yes now I'm sorry I say clarify say we seek permission from court say me person me filing na me clarify the court no be ma permission answer na was an ko file because no na ya filing by procedure claim permission no yentimi international
okay
the on the club and no after answer ya file and I respond to the answer hunu be omwedi that is what happened
na the pentremu a wode maye no it means that on the 12th permission musiki from court say mobetimi aye a counter claim no this all motion we answer
to do with hearing it has nothing to do with
it means that on the 12th no cry no yen ko kasem nanka support I say about say twe the election process no
na nipa no why so but no the on train right no and to law pan so maka be emphasis what I say okay I say we dey sampa because article 37 no say da ye be president no sada na escofo nyina start your moduma
yeah
na also yi president we wi anu akọ yi escofo entumra what me I say and either say nka why other escofo no RFF also ka ho why you nyina to order that answer na dana obeto president dana president no that's dana by law I'm running the president and starting a juma.
Okay.
Na sada na so na school for no so start your juma. Na school na wunyi and over there starting a juma that day. I'm running is 37-4.
Okay.
And also more 4-year man. And the who could president there we are na later wa for school na. Na just who you wrong. Strategy with me using say that's obey your na the same day.
Okay.
Which is not possible because RFF no. Come on, regions. You can't bring all of them to Congress. And common sense should tell us, and the Sabia, we are Omodiano first, Toho. What do you say?
Yeah.
So that by the time we are present, no more back. Come on, electoral, no more back Congress. So we can swear all of them in the same day.
Okay.
But imagine you almost said, yeah, that's all in country and that's our law we any on. What else? How much you be but you see another statute in the different from some country to no man no more. You get it, that's the main. And I also know what's a wound here. Now I will to now and you think the members will system what you know.
All right. Lawyer John Kwame Kwesi ebeda say enano pa enti ebeko so na okay
when you pan the prayer no and then when I offer anything away no person me clarify King Pfizer cast we na no more
yeah
I mbogo July da and you cast you file the very day you file and you say no September GFA for any more. Well, even though you're about July, mo make sure say mo more holding on. Wabra case.
Yeah.
What do you say? Till later. Let me apply the idea and intem.
Okay.
And now cars so far we did 2 years, 3 years for 4 years. Yeah, the metumia yeah by the grace of God record. Ya said an enfant metruga, ya pese we answer. Namia do my tina ya ye na within 2 months ye cars case of that nature. And then the bus and the sadia and interim winner and the pencrana yeah attention go. Now wait for no so much start you know that. The which means I won't cry in MBO. What me I say?
Yeah.
Aha. And they are not better now way more so no. Oh propaganda and tea. How much of that she say a boy case now it has nothing to do with who was started now won't start. What me I say?
Okay.
I don't know it's not part of our interest anymore. July tone and I can we didn't follow the program. Just for clarification, why?
Mate, but I say, lawyer joke crazy. Yeah, because we didn't come on here, sending your Mavisia next month, so October 12 ni dry. Yeah, Beba was here. Yeah, that's it. Luther, can find a lawyer, lawyer John Kwame Kwesen, or can send me no. Okay. But we case can find a for no at the court. Say court need to ma GFA elections ni bemua. Na say matum rakakra. Ana afe so metietia ebi mo fa ho die so no. Nti omo de court ne share sanka osanko muhia na omo hu se ne ombe. Ana omo tutu ahye da ende you know yenyanka sa asem ni wie. There has been a counter claimer. The plaintiffs na sanso file plaintiffs ni can fight ani omo lawyer na omo file na omo se GF for na anu ye no omo de bae no ensem ba ko mienu miense bi omo moji di se achia into omo tene no sa de betene no e wo se court ne jipene ansa na yetimi age atum eno na omo de akoshe October 12 no into October 12 omo kan we no omo kan no wi a ansa na case na ankasa kra no ya be sheda a ya be hwe ne ya be kan na yi ni na efri ho nti kwata no October 12 ne kra ne ye hu say GFA elections ni eba beto anase yento enti no and the second one here cars case no was I confess the case kodam cars ni na ye about player no si akan matamali city ni case no ko DC anko ya mfama confess said omo hwehwe omo ya appeal anko ya mfama omo ono mo de call cars no mo de call cars ne cars nyantena asem ne so nkan ana omo san so file for a provisional measure sanke be yanka confess ye season no e Premier League last season no ware until obeko relegation division 1 omo ka se cars for no community asade ne so kopem so mbeka asem ni na ewie na omo hu se ampa ne sa omo anya point no into omo ko relegation na omo nko eno na cars what by say almost stay of execution omo pe no omo nyi ntum enti eno no maka but case na nkasa de cars enye ndia on fan award in by ncheche mu mienu no
me that say Michael
this I don't think election crowd will come in October. I don't think so. Because you see, for instance, also bizarre about filing.
Yeah.
Now, even the day you file, the court must give you a date. To you. What they've done is to seek for what we call permission to make the changes.
Yeah.
To and send a court amount to file. Now file here, of course, FA will also respond.
Yeah.
Because Niama Odibegu Ukrata sono. Ebiana like onza lawyer can say BS one. Tifano say be a handsome semubi eba o. Almost after file ese court sama FA for so eda. Some so nyesa.
Some so nye omo counter away.
Mu ye wi na masa de aba court no. Na court na atabuku na judge no. No de aba judge atabuku. Ni
ala obi beka sa de la court ni nka na ntehwe unim cases e wo court a o
case egu ho
case nti obi
David
no crime no beko
so there
Luther
some of power.
Cases are what court, no?
Yes. Bebre.
Thousands. Case in Tio, a time consuming, make a time wasting. But no. Time consuming.
A dose.
Cobra.
You to say what that, yeah.
I didn't see the open here, so they be.
So then, can so be object so BBI a kama and son at the date will be set for hearing. Yes, so
I know crying as some kuma.
At the idea you me in November, December, so I don't gonna judge class I call conference.
Legal vacations is beba.
Yes. And I was where conference.
Legal vacation.
There's a legal vacation around.
Satam you need case be
some rest judges don't break. Almost break. See, they need time for it.
Am I fresh?
Asemo.
The assembly to Ghana Bar ni General Legal Council and bench ni.
So when you there.
So mbe to me come fast track my.
We need fast track asem.
Ghana for baby semo.
Your judges are more footballers.
Yes.
Your lawyers are more football clubs.
Yes, it's true.
So I say Akachi South, Akachi MP or football club. On the bench, the Mahine or football club. So I say, and who be here because they say no near corner and why in here.
And no crap, but
no crap,
but ends.
Yeah, feel never what that be.
Now more contempt cranyamba because you see, for instance, on the issue of the FA cancer, yes, seize all election proceedings until say here court. But you have gone ahead
to do what? Acquire ballot.
So and no class and no sopa and no idea. League no so the same and idea judges same penny contempt the contempt they were born in India.
Okay.
So and no crano as a binim sombe kwa ba and no crab bar and we had another matter on it too.
But see, and I did two penny for my buying and casano and the bench and then the bar. Omusha when you be about. Don't mean come as some work or na you require befa so. A bit made the same way any ya na football because you are AFCON.
Yeah.
So and I order grant 2026 poverty alleviation program for the emancipation of the
2026
youth from
2025 okay more
26 I am Makwan
after election next year no
sa Morocco AFCON someone qualifier national
sports 2025 there no
AFCON na yeko Morocco no Abidjan de ma me makon aba nim de omode bae na Morocco no eno
Morocco
ehun hia ye me pa ke ujina Tangier ohun Las Palmas so
sa
wo de asem no fa na gro Black Meteors omo hotel who pija wani ohun light o Spain Gran Canaria be Las Palmas
tina nkrofo fa ho kono
tino wasem na wo kan emwame you have to experience the manyabi enyame asem na me kasama poverty alleviation group yen
no ya
ye ko Morocco na Tangier blast the ball Casablanca cry or Tangier ye be dia Congo ne Gabon
ade
for objective o assess situation no na wa hwe Morocco ho no ne koso no e wi ase na sama ho June July no tie ye ni anadwo no bus ne enam car na ekọ Spain no na yeso ya tare to ye wi a the 2026 na World Cup no eno we USA Canada and Mexico
eno de omuntimi nka so mon qualify
eno 70 na wo se to aba
de omo bo akura Ghana for ba
ye esco for no omo no mo ye head
2026 World Cup no
na bo no na akobo
nana de be no bi amanta wachi
bo no na akobo
meta wachi
me say omo ye de so mo qualify kai no mo krom ha ya no mo krom ha
so mentality
ota mechiba
until yen to aba no because Black Stars management committee member no chairman or ESCO member Black Meteors or ESCO BBI ESCO this say yen to aba na mandate wu aba da koye so it brings a lot of lacuna any gray areas in football administration so what I say yen na ka cheje prasa so nko science
so dey na was some pebra mo educating for because omo mandate no so so ye esco member
papa is so start ho say mra ho by how ne say this shouldn't affect because yemo de ka be bo afore na afa bas every akomo Mali akọ support to Black Stars am ma Mali form ye be ko ba bia na mum also to qualify No more. We have to play well. You see, why are football now fast as some boys need be a
Sompa Sports.
You have no idea.
Oh, baby.
So, you see, I have friendly just 1 week pay. Obi a peso Kobe. And say you are qualifying a pre-tournament campaign. Oh, Miami. Ghana have become fantastic.
Men are not crab.
Kobe Eko. And we are not even going to look. Okay, mean control. Bruni Krum.
Sompa Sports.
It's a sound transformation here. Huge.
Midasi Papa Poku and our ten and Kano na Lucas Travel Consult say Brano fan ko Canada sama ye Kenya odobeko odo ni problem odoko eno achi no so no say United Kingdom France Greece Germany o Schengen visa ni nyina no Lucas Travel na odobeko say yen kan tro say open microphone no ma ye adwuma marketing manager sales personnel receptionist administrator shop attendant house help and accountant Lucas Travel Consult yen kan tro say omo tema golf city from 0534 543210 0534 543210 from omno bedim komona bibia eso aye kama na hye no sebofo akwa ne omo ebeye press conference bofo akwata no ahead of omni heart of game a omo ebebo no enu nti no omo gate ni game no say na gate fees no ebisi akwa no pay ya duba akobo no mo de ahye so na omni akra to folk no obebusu na coronation park kick off na 3 p.m. na there are two teams say rating 30 Ghana cedis 40 Ghana cedis and 100 Ghana cedis na kotoko de no me hwe kotoko gate no so de ombaje kotoko de no Dr. Kasawiye no kotoko 20 Ghana cedis was center popular stand one 10 Ghana na VIP wings 30 Ghana cedis and a main VIP no 50 Ghana cedis eno nyame pa 1st of October 6 p.m. and as a game no eso ebetodwa eno na owura fra Abubakar Damba e kasa Kosi Karela so far omo performance after 2 games no preparation o my omo dibe wura mu asante kotoko no senate
Karela ya ball matches and I'll be about 2 matches first match no we had a 2-1 loss in the second match we share but we share it all results as a result of your preparations pre-season and how we are managing new and old players, So I think, sir, game by game, the players are beginning to understand themselves. The psychology of the team is now coming together one and one to make some sense. And I feel, sir, we can't give a complete assessment of team CC, but then all that we are working assiduously towards your friends and the league.
And we sama opiemo assistant coach Edema Karela United. Eso editu Abubakar Damba go there wabe debi ewo Ghana ha papa na awia ba de nsem bebre okay de ho nsem beba na mum say Roxy Travels we are nurse ni obeso kosua de wabruchi obeso kobobo wabruchi ni nyina na sa kwanya na ba say even private jet and a person rent ma on be pe bi dia ma ope visa on ba assist o sa so na pe bank statement o mo boa uni passport edi to come be bi dia ma country bia so they say countries bi dia be dom some pe teacher for farmer wo mo Roxy Travels o say en country o say we dey bra scholarship mpo be jam wa kosua de wabruchi na kumase ya ubehu na chia kwan no e obia ya efro asafo VIP station abrosa bi so efepa ya twa animu a golden home touch e na akra so no omo kaso CP omo ne Methodist asori dan ne dem hwe na wo akra frɛ number 0244 613 237 and a kumas phone for 0257 776730 and a 0557 607 375 na bia kama boss.
Well, Luther, me can't Dr. Prosper Natiogun, the press conference. I think that is, to a large extent, is right. And then you must and then to say first and can't Kotoko. Sorry, as here. Kotoko, the traditional Zango Kotoko, Beko, Abontia Koto place or Munimbo Gananina, Eddie Abbas and Koto. To see animals, I mean, over the last 3 years, basically, I was a Kotoko lower divisions, Eco top players. Now immediately I'll be decides to call lower divisions. I got top players. It means that I bet take time and sana player know the level of one the technical quality and ability and any adaptation within a Kotoko family, any Kotoko team. No, we should be a player no free by any Kotoko gap no more. And this is a huge club with expectation. And because of that, no, a bit take time for this team to gel. And idea is what is only about 20 years here. That you don't expect one or two players. We wait to make a form from lower division or a club like Otokobe. Yes, but if you look at overall, it take time for said young players, even adaptation, and then also a fit into the team. Team no some be fan on take time. So it's something that supporters I said this is the state of the team now.
Sompa Sports.
I said supporters some more supportive team no difficult times like this. Senebea sa support nom de memo with time no soon be form them. Because even though Neman Koye kakra no first game na Koye out of line, second game Bibiani Go Stars. Karela Mbompa is a beko you know. Senebea says support no honor attempt the ma we were born wasa na psychologically affected players no na be ma players no and who say even though Neman Shedan Koye boy homode no odo no ho e de odo sronkon etaye chia with time we won't say all of a sudden now players no asha say yade. And so what doesn't he as a result na beba ebeba enkoye because ade Nigeria adregu ade so dregu na o shisha it take time and sana wa shisha ni ye. And so this remind me of I mean spend some time about the rebuilding. Yes, that's a situation I found itself again. And it isn't and yeah IMC na yes near my course till now. So of course near my dregu na o shisha it take time and sana wa shisha. And see the rank and file will be anti as I say the current Kotokono, the expectation should be measured modest and so. Because team where top class team, they can become a top class team with time and years. But for now, no, baby a team no jana be a TNE. Omonti say team no here be a IMC playing body technical supporters to make sure say obia be baako na team no almost supporting sa tama nema edin way. Then over a period of time, me a bompa say, she share a coach no no. She share no a dimu na a starty my result as supporters no any kotoko kuni na ehwe. And so something that takes time and look the support at this time they need is very very important.
Sompa Sports.
Say sometimes ebia bibi two bi krana ebia senye scan of the man cry. In cranshe crab one because if you are sabre no here cranshe and you'll be an psychological some to not me handle the year and you'll be an answer and so as a result of that mere way na supporters that team the day name when they say confirm and zero Senebea on best supported team no ewa hu yem team got difficult the honey and you support ye as a resolute asem to that men can so done for
there be awoka
me I have a lot of respect me see men could be that bibini sa asem to a ho na ho omo do ne obe ni didi kan some obe kan o echi no you have no idea as some obe kan for it's the same thing supporting a true supporter of a club time a club na ko him say be results no en ba no to say no more expect no be a loss back on draw back on win back on a loss kwam you know ato aso some men no and I saw making sure say supporters be home e won so be yan say IMC for no so nti ase say e do some men no so nin town deal with the supporters be call kama because maybe was supporters so here the state of the club almost making sure the information be on and more to coach engagement with the supporter leadership very important and no manage IMC no somewhere arrange or more share the second leaders e more muti assess share na my no nanse mu say match we anko we so nembom anam nema na me di call match but na esi ni na ye ko enum so na mo ametu ni e ba na saa because omo ye armed omo ye inform about nema e koso ne hia oye nti na omo so communicate ama rank and file na omo wa information e krojin a omo nim se e kwa mpanyifo no fa so tutu ne mani enti se so what is no tisa omo nkotran ba bi en kan ne nim omo nkotie ba bi a ye kan kotompo omo nim se ye team no emre we aye wo mi ni ampanyifo ye ni anamo mutu ni na mpanyifo na ka ama ye ti ase se emre we die team no kakrakra anamo so mutu se team no be fan to my pap friendly yen so as what does e die na ese ye so what are your role ni die your role so ma ka che se say make sure a kwan bia support omo ahoro support bia say ma encourage sem bia sika kakra de by say attending matches yes support you massively Kotoko match against Kyle on Sunday a difficult game very difficult game a game end after Marcus and Kotoko near ma Kotoko near supporters Kotoko supporters massive support so oba expect say emre way na ye be hu Kotoko real supporters no enye kasa be already so make sure say what totiki no be Sunday na match no ye dia supporters na win match no say match mu ye dia omo match say be results eye fofofo eye supporter because mu ye dia omo na be ye dede no omo na agi penalty no omo na omo san agi goal ma club no so say time our team no akwa here mu first game this way into Kotoko heart of lions so about draw wako bibi eni akoluzi ene Kotoko ye show no league table so Kotoko das here Kotoko 1 point out of possible 6 points.
Oh yes.
Now the only way Kotoko betimi ashakala is when the supporters call stadium na call stadium no ma on Sunday because Kala oma be bobo o je ne season last season is the same coach Prime Shabutanko eneba Uti na Abukari dan baka che ono. Omu di ebu Kotoko but omba be bog game no pa. Enti ene a emaye din ama Kotoko no. Ena Kala so aye se na nsema aye se bugi sa Kotoko omu Kotoko shia Kotoko prepare. Ni Kotoko hia ni coach be ne juma support base no. Support is omu titi mom be hu akakra hu no me nka negative but so stand mo na dede na nyum to no.
Esa omo Carol more ball in front of
crowd said that first time they na ahwehom na sabi won say all of a sudden I say omambo to be as if the ball no nimbo na ya fa ho Kotoko fa dey ashom so ade a doctor kan no na ne ben yan say doctor bi cancer no so wo so sabi ntutie no na wo so ni tenkate mu ye ne kama
okay
so bia na adwuma yi the doctor also yana she no so make sure so uye ni ye se na be ya se ba se anko ye kra she no bia bon so uye nche pa na eda no ayeda boni
me don say Jeffrey Asare the apostle na hotel en kano e brani ni e be koya homa no so na yakwa akofa afrefo na muso mo de madwen kira ba na dwumadi na ye kama nyanse se Kwame Danso opiema Department of Agric Director of Agric e friend Eric Kontoma ono staff mo ye adwuma nyina so mo hwe so mpa ma mu pa mo nto aso na mo hwe ho ne pa bibrede ma mo amekwa homa no so na me mfa me first call 0551931931 hello yes I wouldn't be free
le mo chola payo o te ko cosma ni nem gata pinche so teresa la promete mo basura la dati agu bo chao bo ma pa na me cha satisfaction nyam pa Sunday Saturday show da wa kona da so so bia me te na bia nya kama me churu nya for da ko ma tenso ida se ko te sa fu na te dia futu amade mai no ya pa na nyam pa Sunday me se pa ko ma ntego do ko mo ma chiri ni a te 3 points ya le ko ma bia be kama teresa nda se baba
Mr. Medasa Asmadu hello
yeah Luther
good morning boss
so been here say
minu ayen kwe
make us Peter there say Kotoko management no mo ba bon ten wo mo me kata what I say
hello oh say line so enye I'm just meet my phone yes sir udi ni ba bia o kasa free
me dey me kasa free man so am free
nini ayen kwe ni me
nyamboa Sunday on best
oh hali oh fache na kramo mehwe na mama me nem say lines no ha adwene wa ha lines no ha adwene wa ha pa I'm Smith hali Harley? Okay. I'm found another call. Harley?
Hello, Luther King. Good morning.
Good morning, boss.
I'm the DJ at the because of
Young community.
Apostle, and I think to my Wakasa Yepa. The best today, Kotoko against Carrera match no. Get one no. Now support the room. We know more thousands. The show be crack the phone. Get to be a police back to pay on Shady Power and Penetration. Yeah, 17 any room. Yes, effectively, 17, 10. FA move right. Now I'm so I go to 20. I want to drag it to a spin. I want to get, you know. I'm with this guy, and some bottom, and Tim paying 4 more money a day. And now about 10,000. By I'm there, a pop is a similar about 6,000. The rest of the woman you call. Different so much, Madame Queen or Western North, could be and chance to go for what I don't know, next year, you lose that.
Medase, Harley. Yes, sir. We didn't be free.
Luther King.
Yes, sir.
Me wa jume bi one man supporter Kumasa Sante Koto me free sample fie na tugawa ngina. Nemu ye pese Koto fo mpanyin fo be kan say yesre ikim no ye de hu na we ye bon fit tete ye ni ri sa amri. Ye di ya nya botre de ye say coach so kan nyeman sie no won kom na nyam wasan de ye nye first win. They say they say yen timi chance asan kra no fi division 1 division 2 ya kuma te se no mo modin no pedi timi ma ye na ye ogi de say nyam wasan de didin kun mera ma se mo aduma.
Yes, so yeah, that's it. Harley.
Yeah, Luther King.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so free Masabe be me ka Peter ko.
No, sir.
The American is management in that bon chain. No money e mekasa. No money we e basket do me paso a team ni benya. What I say? Now, Momo teacher, they say radio presenters, they come as a mammo. Esa mo amupa paka, last year analysis. You had 30,000 near Copaka. Near Bomber, the 15, you have 450,000 per match. What I say? Yeah, I'm 17 matches, maybe go home, no. You have to 8 million. You know 8 million, a player being to be maintained. Or Cotoconia, born by 5 seasons. Your money 1 season. By a dead player, no, not for Pabato, no, be adopted. Sibodro Mutave, Sibodro Chapas on the baby Chaco. Your summer budget, no be by a 1 year, Sunday and a ton of Ethiopia to move at 2,000, and the money salary $2,000. $2,000, 20 million, and 200 million. 400 million to go to me when you are player. The management no much you by being at Momo presenters and Moyo Majuma Momo. Omo don't know make us financial supporters in crime. Me intimate copac. Madam Massey.
Yes, sir, that's it. My man for Kolawako. Harley.
Karamawani Boku.
Minu Ayankwe.
The American say Kotopasita for a best stress. Saying the bottom, they are still the management. Any communication manners and your more can maintain follow. And I said, you man a time, playing out the permanent town working. Now, a town working so no matter. And I'm somewhere ever. But upon the CID, a more whatever it is when you to get a threat. Tell you, I'm to say, I'm the channel, and one say, Matthew, Cotoconan, and there from Cotoconan, and so they kind of want to take you play many years. So I have to venture and Yabu, and then to venture and Yabu, so you know, you are up in the area, in Yabu, opening me Karamawali after how.
Meda say, entering for friendly beer, be my hand, I bread me a kwama, Netumadino. Ye dear see, Uti Jeffra Sarenka, Atapo Kubaye, Michael Asaribo Duso Ebaye, Midina Dilu Takin production or Michael Akumia Sports Mizaya, Nas, Cremono, Ricardo Varas, Prince Ebobome, Emunina Boame di Jumedi, Abu Dhabi, baby will be a radimo on dinner Becca on a Bianya Kama. I don't do ma, no me and Sabati and Kedi shoot out no Ebebro Yakra.
Sompa Sports.
Wante unipadua ase a wote ayaresa ase Pesu hu sa akora ne da ye onna ye o kidney o liver o brebo o pancreas o yem nyoma nyina no